Right, as the thumbnail suggests, my butcher mate Chris has hooked me up with a massive mammoth-sized slab of meat, so it's only right that we cook it up bushcraft style in the woods. Let's get into it. Home sweet home. So, big shout out to Chris from New Forest Family Butchers. Cheers for hooking me up with the steak. It's a big Tomahawk style steak, so it's huge. It's like it's come off a bloody dinosaur. So, yeah, really pleased with it. Go check them out if you're ever New Forest sort of way, Wellow and Romsey. Yeah, and let them know I sent you. So yeah, without further ado, let's cook up a big old steak. Right, just got the Bushbox XL set up with a windshield underneath just to protect the floor. I want to get in and out quite quickly, and I don't want to leave a mess. So that beast. Woohoo! Absolute beauty. I'm going to tuck into this after it's rested. Look at that. Ooh. Cheers, Chris. Slab and a half. Woolly mammoth rib bone. Bosh. Look at that. Cute. This is so good. God, it's so thick. Juicy bit of ribeye, lots of fat, lots of protein. Mate. We did this. Yeah. Focus. The Cutlery, Wild Company International. No, not gonna work. But yeah. Titanium. Ultra lightweight. Cutlery set. Really, really good. Link will be in the description below. Go check them out. Right. It's just a quick one from me really. So yeah. That was beautiful. Really enjoyed that. So yeah, if you are in the New Forest, and check out Chris at New Forest Family Butchers. Top quality meat. He's supporting local and small businesses and stuff. So yeah, brilliant. Right, I'm just going to pack this away, and then I'll see you in a bit. Right, it's another one done. Left no trace. If you're into bushcraft, wild camping and campfire cooking and stuff like that, then obviously please give it a thumbs up and subscribe below, and I'll see you on the next one.
Yo, entering the planet, we were born in 1990, censoring the damage through the years quite precisely, peppering the cabbage every day with new rhyme schemes, venturing the stranded and entirely unlikely.